Hello friends, in our last two videos we discussed about what is the degenerate kernel and the solution of Fredholm equation of second kind with degenerate kernel. Now we will discuss some examples to show that how we can find the solution of a Fredholm equation with degenerate kernel of second kind. So let us take an example. First of all, it is given that solve the integral equation u of x is equal to 1 plus lambda into integration of 0 to 1 x into ex ut dt. Now let us find the solution of this integral equation. So now what we are given? We are given an integral equation u of x is equal to 1 plus lambda integration from 0 to 1 x into ex ut dt. Now as x into ex will be treated as constant as we are taking integration with respect to t, so these term will come outside and we will get the value of c as 0 to 1 ut dt, and our equation will become 1 plus lambda into x into ex into c, where c is equal to 0 to 1 ut dt. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, हमने ये इंटीग्रल इक्वेशन ली और उसमें से जो हमारी कांस्टेंट टर्म्स थी हमने उसको बाहर निकाला। तो और हमारा कांस्टेंट टर्म है वो हमारी क्या बन गई, मींस जैसे कि हमने लास्ट सॉल्यूशंस में देखा कि हमें सी की वैल्यू निकालनी होती थी, जो सी था वो हमारा अननोन होता था। तो यहाँ पे हमारा जो सी की वैल्यू क्या हुई, 0 to 1 ut dt. So our equation ux will become ux is equal to 1 plus lambda into x into ex up to into c. Now what we will do, we will integrate the last equation with respect to x between the limits 0 to 1. So our equation will become 0 to 1 ux dx is equal to 0 to 1 into dx plus lambda c into 0 to 1 x into ex dx. This will become c and its integration will be 1 plus lambda into, and we know that integration of 0 to 1 x into ex dx is equal to 1. इस टर्म का जो इंटीग्रेशन है वो हमारा 1 हो जाएगा और इसका इंटीग्रेशन 1 हो जाएगा। तो जो हमारी इक्वेशन है वो क्या बन गई, और इसको हमें ये पता है कि 0 to 1 का जो 0 to 1 ux dx वो क्या है, हमारा c है। तो हमारी इक्वेशन क्या बन जाएगी, c इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस लैम्डा सी। और अब हम क्या करेंगे, इस टर्म को यहाँ वी विल टेक दिस लैम्डा सी इनटू अप दिस साइड एंड सी this term will become c minus lambda c, and we will take c common, and then 1 minus lambda t will come here, and we will get c is equal to 1 by 1 minus lambda if lambda is not equal to 1. Hence our solution is u of x is equal to 1 plus lambda into x into ex by 1 by lambda. मीन्स ये हमारी जो यू एक्स है वो हमारी ये आ गई, हमने जो सी की वैल्यू है यहाँ पुट कर दी इस इक्वेशन में. वी विल पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ सी इन दिस इक्वेशन हेयर and we will get the value of ux is equal to 1. We will get the value of ux is equal to 1 plus lambda into ex by 1 minus lambda.